Hi, Ben from USA Magnum here. Today, we're going to walk through how to remove a Xerox Device Agent installed on a PC. The Xerox Device Agent, or XDA, is software that helps manage your Xerox devices. There are times when you need to uninstall it, like maybe for an upgrade or troubleshooting. With the XDA application open, you will find the version number at the bottom of the screen, and at the top, the XDA displays the registered Xerox partner ID. Now, let's begin the removal process. First, close the XDA obviously, and then press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Settings in the field that appears. Open the Settings menu. In the Settings window, type Add or Remove Programs in the search field. This will bring you to a list of installed programs on your computer. Scroll until you find Xerox Device Agent Partner Edition. Then click on it. Then select Uninstall. Confirm your choice when prompted. Click on Install again. Now the uninstaller will start. If prompted, you do want to close the applications, so click Yes. The program will then ask if you want to remove the databases. Click Yes. The uninstallation process could take a few minutes, so however, once the process is complete, you will have successfully uninstalled the XDA. So there you go, the XDA is now uninstalled from your computer. If you run into any issues or have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for watching, and please remember us for all your Xerox needs.